Hi, my name's Lynne McInally, and today we're going to talk about coping boxes. Some people call it coping boxes, some people call it coping strategies, some people call it first aid kits. But what's most important here is that this kit is for you and for you to design. So you have to figure out, who am I? What makes me feel good? So in my coping box, one of my first things I have to help relax me or make me feel good times when I'm feeling really sad is my sage oils. They're natural oils. I especially love them and I recommend them for my clients who have panic attacks. And when the panic attacks are especially associated to senses of smell. So I asked them to get some roll-on ones. That is really helpful. Also, we know the importance of sleeping. And we need to get at least minimum 8 hours of good sleep. So I always recommend to block out the noise, some good earplugs. And if you're sensitive to light, a really good sleeping mask for your eyes. Now, during times of heightened anxiety, I recommend stress balls. Reason why is we know that these are really great muscle relaxers. They actually help us tense up and release our muscles, which help us calm down and relax. Another thing I absolutely love, which I ran out of, is gum. Chewing gum is also another muscle relaxer, and especially for people with high anxiety. A lot of times they talk about tension around their jaws or that their jaw has pain. Think about it. If you're chewing the gum, it naturally will relax your jaw and allow you to help calm yourself down. So I ask you to look even around your own house. What are some of the objects that keep you calm or make you feel good? And add them to your coping kit. For young little children, I recommend going to the dollar store with them, allowing them to touch and feel things. A lot of people are tactile, especially children, and would love to be able to pick out some of their own items. And as children age, their needs change. So if you've started a coping kit really small with your little 5-year-old who's now turning 9, you might want to change those items up. I know I even like to change them up once in a while. And if you go to my webpage, you might find some more information that could be helpful. It'll be the first link in the description. Thank you.